Welcome to Royalton Riviera Cancun, an autograph collection all-inclusive resort and casino. It's time to get you ready. Firstly, you can know where you are by looking at the maps around the resort, on your TV, or scanning the QR codes found in different areas throughout the resort to always have the map on your mobile device. Your wristband is very important. It allows us to identify you as a guest of our resort. It gives you access to the facilities and activities you've paid for. It also works as a key to enter your room and as a payment method for different services available. Remember, hold on to your wristband for the duration of your stay. You cannot exchange it with other guests. Replacing the wristband comes with a surcharge. Your room has a safety box that is enabled by entering a 4-digit code. You'll find the safe behind your closet door. Simply enter the lock code and press the lock code to open. Enter the code, and voila! This video is part of the unique entertainment system your in-room TV has. You can watch TV and access the resort's main information such as the map, restaurants, activities, itinerary, spa treatments, order room service 24/7, or simply schedule additional services such as premium spirits, a romantic private dinner, or even an excursion, among other things. This TV also serves as a messenger. Throughout your stay, we will be able to send you special messages with important information and exclusives we don't want you to miss. Royalton Riviera Cancun has special places you don't want to miss. Our fitness center and our award-winning spa with over 22 massage booths are just one of the largest on the region. It's a must-visit. This is a smoke-free resort. You cannot smoke inside the rooms as the highly sensitive smoke detectors will activate. You may only use designated areas. On your room door, you'll find important information about emergency exits and evacuation plans. Please familiarize yourself with these as they are important in the event of an emergency. This resort has premium services available for the day. These provide an elevated, all-inclusive experience you shouldn't miss. Get more information with guest services. For more details or assistance during your stay, you can contact guest services 24/7 by phone or the main lobby. Thank you for choosing Royalton Luxury Resorts, and we wish you the best of stays at this modern and luxurious all-inclusive resort.